Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OnePlus 6T. To do this, first one needs to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is at the bottom, and there's actually two of them, one right here and another one next to it. Then another speaker is located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. To determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two different sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's test it out. Okay, so the sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and there's no sound from this speaker as well as the phone call speaker, which would confirm that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers, but that might be the issue with the model that I have right here, so you can check it on yours if you like. So in this case, I'm not gonna confirm that there's no stereo speaker since I can't, because maybe something is wrong with the phone itself. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.